It's located on the opposite side of the terminal, sir.
The opposite side. I understand.
About how far is it from here?
Wow! Airplanes! I can see real airplanes! Daddy, this place is very, very big.
Yes, it is big. But stay close to me, okay?
Look, Hawaii!
Awesome! Looks like we're ready.
Yes, we are!
Let's go!
Good morning, everyone. Today is the big day.
Yes! We are going to Hawaii today.
I cannot sleep. I am too excited. Me too. I am very, very excited.
Lily, why do you have a pineapple toy?
Because Hawaii has pineapples, Daddy.
She is right, James. Hawaii has pineapples.
You are very smart, Lily.
I know, Daddy.
Good morning, everyone.
Wow, pancakes.
Looks delicious, Mom.
Dig in.
Mom, can I have pancakes with extra syrup today?
Yes, Liam, but eat slowly. We have time.
Okay, Mom.
Liam. Slowly means slowly.
Sorry, Dad. Mom, my pancake looks like a cloud.
Oh, it does look like a cloud, sweetheart.
I will eat the cloud. Oh, Lily?
You're a riot, kiddo.
I don't get it.
Okay, family. Our flight is at 11 o'clock.
Yes, and we leave home at 8:30.
That is 1 hour and 30 minutes from now.
Very good math, buddy.
I know I'm good at math. We are going to Hawaii today, Mr. Pineapple.
Lily, finish your breakfast, honey.
Yes, Mom.
Sorry, Mr. Pineapple.
1 bag. 2 bags. 3 bags. 4 bags. Good.
Did you pack the tickets and the passports?
Right here in my pocket. Safe and ready.
Perfect. You are very organized today, James.
I am always organized, Sarah.
Dad lost his keys. Dad lost his keys. Daddy, don't lose the passports.
I will not lose the passports, I promise.
Okay, family, let's get dressed. We leave soon.
Hawaii, Hawaii,
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Come on, Mr. Pineapple.
This is gonna be a great vacation.
Yes, it is. I love our family so much.
Okay, let's find the check-in area.
Wow, look at all the people. Mommy, look up there. It's so big. So many planes. Daddy, this place is very, very big.
Yes, it is big. But stay close to me, okay?
Wow! Airplanes! I can see real airplanes.
James, let's check in first. Then we find the gate.
Good plan. Follow me, everyone.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
We are going to Hawaii. Flight HW204.
Sir, Flight HW204 has changed its gate. Changed the gate? Which gate is it now? It was gate B12, now it is gate D47.
Wait, the gate changed?
Okay. Could you please tell us where gate D47 is?
It's located on the opposite side of the terminal, sir.
The opposite side. I understand.
About how far is it from here?
About 20 minutes of walking. Maybe more.
James, we have 40 minutes before boarding.
Okay, we can do this. We will walk fast.
Are we running, Dad? Like in the movies?
Maybe a little bit like the movies, Liam.
But Daddy, I have short legs.
Then you ride with me, Lily. Let's go.
James, this bag is very heavy. I need help.
I have Lily and one bag. Can you manage? I'll carry one, Mom. I'm strong.
Thank you, Liam. You are very strong. I know, Mom. I know he wants to. Thank you, Liam.
Oh no. The security line is very long.
James, how much time do we have?
25 minutes. Maybe 20.
Okay. Okay, we can still make it.
Daddy, why is this line so slow?
Everyone has to check their bags, Lily.
That is because people might have bad things. Like bombs?
Liam, quiet, please.
Sorry. Like bad snacks?
Yes, Liam, bad snacks. We have about 15 minutes left.
I know. Let's keep going.
Gate D47. This way. Come on, family.
Liam, do not run too far. Stay where I can see you.
Mom, I can see the gate. Gate D47.
Flight HW204 to Hawaii.
Daddy, what does that say?
It says, we missed our flight.
I don't see anyone.
Do you think they forgot about us?
No, honey. Just waiting.
Wait, we missed it? The plane already left?
Yes, Liam. The plane already left.
Without us?
Without us.
Are we not going to Hawaii?
Let me find out what we can do. Wait here. Excuse me. We missed flight HW204 to Hawaii.
Okay, let me check that for you. I understand. According to the system, that flight departed approximately 7 minutes ago.
Yes, the gate was updated, and we were delayed while going through security.
I understand. Let me look at other options for you. The next flight to Hawaii is tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning.
At 6 a.m., I can put your family on that flight.
Okay. Yes, please do that. Okay. Here's the situation. We have a new plan.
Are we still going to Hawaii?
Yes. But tomorrow morning. Not today.
We have to wait until tomorrow?
Yes, sweetheart. We have to wait one more day.
That's not fair. We did everything we were supposed to do.
I understand why it feels that way, Liam. Sometimes things change even when we've done our best.
I don't like it when plans change.
A lot of people feel that way, buddy.
Liam, look at me. We are still together. That is what matters.
We are.
But I wanted the beach today, Mom.
I know. I wanted the beach too.
I have a question.
Yes, Lily?
If we are not going to Hawaii today, where do we sleep?
Good question from Lily.
I am looking for a hotel near the airport.
A hotel? We get to stay in a hotel?
Just for one night, Liam. Hotels have swimming pools. Do they have a pool?
Maybe they have pineapples too.
Hotels do not have pineapples, Lily.
Maybe this one does.
Okay, team, here is the new plan. First end, hotel.
Second bed, swimming pool.
Maybe. We will see.
Third gond, pineapples. Yes, Lily. Maybe pineapples. Look, a plane!
Wow, that's a big one.
Let's go see it. Dad, are you disappointed that we missed the flight?
A little, yes. I'm a little disappointed.
Is it your fault we missed it?
The gate changed. That was not my fault. But could we have walked faster? Maybe. Yes, maybe we could have walked faster.
That makes me feel a little sad for you, Dad.
Thank you, Liam. That is very kind.
You're a great dad.
We're a great team.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Liam.
Are you okay, buddy? Are you hurt?
I am not hurt, but my stuff is everywhere.
It is okay. We pick it up together.
Here, Liam. I found your car. Thanks, Lily.
Almost there, sweetie.
I think that's the last of it.
Got it. All right, let's go.
Liam, why do you have 17 snack bars?
Because airports are very far from snacks.
Oh my gosh. We really just did that.
That was the funniest thing ever. Look at the socks.
Time for a bedtime story, kids. Come on up, everyone.
Hooray!
Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom.
The water is very blue. Yeah. Are you sad, Liam? I just really wanted to go today.
Are you two okay?
We think we're lost. Mom, do you ever work really hard for something and then it doesn't happen? Yes, Liam. That happens to everyone sometimes. How do you feel when that happens? I feel disappointed sometimes. And a little sad.
That is how I feel right now.
That feeling is okay. It is normal to feel it.
That is how I feel right now.
That feeling is okay. It is normal to feel it.
Is this a sad moment? Or can I come in?
You can always come in.
I found this in the hotel restaurant downstairs.
What is in the bag?
Fresh pineapple from the restaurant.
P-I-Apple.
Mr. Pineapple, we found your family.
Oh, that's priceless.
I know, right? Look at his face.
You got it all over you.
We needed that laugh.
Dad, can I ask you something serious?
Of course, Liam. Always.
Did today go wrong because of us? Did we do something bad?
No. Today did not go wrong because of you. But we were too slow. Life was too fast today. Not you.
That is the same thing, Dad.
Maybe it is. But here is what I know for sure, Liam. I know that missing a flight is not the end of the world.
The world is still here.
The world is still here. Exactly right, Lily. Liam, do you know what I looked at today when we missed the flight?
I looked at you.
I looked at you. And Lily. And Mom. And I thought, though, my family is right here. We are okay.
So the important thing was not the flight?
The important thing was never the flight, Liam.
The important thing is us.
Yes, Lily. The important thing is us.
You are a very good dad.
You are a very good mom. Okay. I have decided something.
What have you decided, Liam? Tomorrow I will wake up first, and I will be ready first. Is that so?
You two will wake up the whole hotel.
Good, then the whole hotel can come to Hawaii with us. I am awake. I am ready.
I am also awake. Mostly.
Liam, it is 4:15 in the morning.
Yes, we have time. We have lots of time.
I think we have everything. Looks like it. Ready to go?
All packed. Me too.
It is so peaceful this early in the morning.
Yeah.
Yesterday, this place felt like a race. And today, it feels completely different.
Same place, different feeling.
Because we are not rushing.
Because we are not rushing.
Daddy.
The door is open this time.
Yes, Lily. The door is open.
Yesterday, this door was closed. And today, it is open.
Dad, is that what you meant? About not giving up?
Doors close sometimes, Liam, but not forever.
We just had to come back the next day.
We just had to come back the next day.
Fly! Look at the sky. It is pink and orange.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It looks like a pineapple sunset.
Lily, that does not make any sense.
Yes, it does. Pink and orange and yellow. Like a pineapple. Whoa!
She is not wrong. She is never wrong. All right, here we go.
Woohoo! Yeah!
We're off. We almost did not come on this trip. But we came back. And the door was open.
Yesterday was a very hard day for our family.
But we stayed together. And we did not give up.
And Mr. Pineapple helped too.
Mr. Pineapple did not help Lily. He helped M.E. That is the same thing.
Have you ever missed something important? Like a bus, or a game, or a special day? And here is my question for you. When things go wrong in your life, do you give up?
Tranai, we would love to hear your story.